Good morning everyone. In the previous class we discussed Indian system and international system. In the Indian system there are 4 periods, ones, thousand, lakhs, crore and so on. In the places ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore and 10 crores. Start. Good morning everyone. In the previous class we discussed Indian system and international system. In the Indian system there are periods, ones, thousand, lakhs and crore. And the places are ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore and 10 crores. Similarly in the international system there is the different periods, ones, thousand, million and so on. And in this, places are ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. According to this system, we place the commas. First the question is, rewrite the numbers placing commas according to Indian system. We take an example. 2, 8, 5, 4, 3. According to Indian system, ones period contains 3 digits and thousand period contains 2 digits. And the answer is, in the ones period 3 digits are there and it is separated by comma. And in other period, thousand period, we take 28. According to Indian system, we write this number 28, 543. Another question is 600,482. In the previous question we discussed ones period contain 3 digits. We place the comma after 3 digits. Then in the second period or thousand period we take 2 digits and 0 are another 2 digits which contains in thousand period. And in the last period we take 6. This number is 6,482. In the second question is, rewrite the numbers placing comma according to the international system. In the international system, ones period contains 3 digits and thousand period contains 3 digits. Million period also contains 3 digits. In this, all periods contain 3 digits. So we write in the ones period there is 3 digits and placing the comma here. In the second period there is 2 digits. That's the number 63,452. In the next question, 386408. In the ones period, we take 3 digits. 408. And placing the comma. And in the second period, there is also 3 digits. 386. We can spell it. 386,408. Third question is, rewrite the numbers placing commas according to international system. There is given there is placing commas according to Indian system. In the international system, we take ones period have 3 digits. Thousand periods also contains 3 digits. According to this, 3 digits, then placing comma. And in the second period there is also 3 digits. 4, 5, 6. In the international system, we read it 456,345. In the second question is 1,32,452. In the international system, we read that one's period contains 3 digits and 1000 period is contains 8 digits. We write it as 4, 5, 2. Then placing comma 1, 3, 2. 1000 period also contain 3 digits. We read it as 132,450. Now in the fourth question, rewrite the numbers placing commas according to Indian system. First you write these digits just 78463 2 according to Indian system. One's period contains 3 digits and 1000 period contains 2 digits. In the first period we take 3 digits and the second period we take 2 digits according to Indian system. The number is 7,84,632. And another question. This is one's period according to Indian system. This is 10,000 period according to Indian system, and this is lakhs period. We place a comma according to this 366, placing comma, then 62, placing comma, then 8, and this number is pronounced as 8,62,366. Fifth question is write inverse according to Indian system. We previously discussed one's period contains 3 digits, 1000 contains 2 digits, and lakhs contain 2 digits. This period is ones, and this period is 1000, and this is lakhs. We write according to this 3 lakhs. The 1000 period is 14. 14,000. And the ones period is 532. This is called 532. Then 500. 32. Similarly, in the second question, this is one's period. This is 1000 period, and this is lakhs period. We write it as 6 lakhs. 1000 period contains 40. 48,000 406. That's write it 406. The number is 6,48,406. In the fifth question, write inverse according to international system. According to international system, there are the periods, one's period, 1000 period, and million period. In the one's period, the digits are ones, tens, 100. In the 1000 period, there is 1000, 10,000, and 100,000. We write it in the names. Write its names. 3. This is called 352. 352. ones period 846. We write it 846. Four, 9, 0. We know that's the ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousand place, 10,000 place, and 100 place. Sorry, 100,000 place. We write it as 600. 602. That's in the period of 1000. We write it 1000. 490. We write 490. Write in figure in Indian system. In the Indian system, we know that the first period contains 3 digits, second period contains 2 digits, and another all periods contain 2 digits. We write it 3 lakhs, and 3 is in the lakhs period. So period is separated by comma. 18,000, and 1000 period contains 2 digits. We write 18,000 and separated by comma. Then 100. 100 place पे क्या आएगा 1, then 6, और 1 place पे क्या आएगा 6. We know 1 period contains 3 digits. There is 2 digits, and the 10th digit is 0. Okay. We write 4 lakhs, and lakhs period separated by comma. That's we write as 4 comma. There is 5,000. That's 5,000. We know the 1000 period contain 2 digits. So that's 1000 place, and this is 10,000 place. And therefore 10,000 place contain 0. In third period 802. 802. There is also tens place contain 0. We write it as 4,05,802. In the seventh part, write in figure in international system. There is given 385,000. These are in the period of 1000. We write 385. 385. 1000 period are separated by comma. Then 109. 100 place पे क्या आएगा 1, then 9, and 10th place contain 0. In the next question 800,000. In the 1000 period we write 800. 800 comma 8. Once 100 place is also vacant, 10th place is also vacant. We write it 8. Which places are vacant? We write it as 0. This is called 800,008. Now we start exercise 1.2. The first question is write the numeral and number name. Numeral मतलब नंबर को हमने figures में लिखा है. That's ones place पे क्या कितने circles हैं 1. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा 1. Tens place पे 1, 2, 3. 100 place contains 1, 2, 3, 4. 1000 contains इनवर्स की फॉर्म में, और नंबर लेन का मतलब है उसको इनवर्स लिखना है। नाउ वी राइट one place there is one sphere. At the 10th place there is 1, 2 and 3. 3 spheres are here. In the 100th place there are 2 spheres. In the 1000 there is 4 spheres. In the 10,000 place there is 2 spheres. And in the lakh place there is 2 spheres. We separated it by the commas. According to Indian system, once period contain 3 digits, 1000 contain 2 digits, lakhs contain 2 digits. And this is one's period and separated by comma. And this 1000 period is also separated by comma. The number is represented as 2,24,231. We write the number name. 2,24,000 in the ones period 231. We write it 231. There is numeral 2,24,231. In the third question, we discussed write the successor of 635,801. In the previous class, we studied successor is the when we success, we come up to next level. So we write the next number of 6,35,801. In the previous terms, we don't have any care. In the last period, 801. What is the next number of 801? Is 802. The successor of 6,35,801 is 6,35,802. And successor means go up to next level. And the successor of 301 is 302. So we write the proper number is 285,000. 285,000. 301 का successor क्या आएगा? 302. So we write the successor of 285,000. 301 is 285,302. In this 7,34,799. In this we write the successor 7,34,799 का next number होता है 800. So the successor of this is 7,34,800. In the next question, the question is write the predecessors of 538,500. प्री का मतलब क्या होता है? प्री का मतलब होता है पहले। तो हमने क्या करना है? इस नंबर से पहले वाला नंबर उठाना है, चाहे इससे छोटा नंबर। There is 538,000. The predecessor of 100 is 99. 100 से पहले क्या आता है? 99. लेकिन आप just 99 ऐसे नहीं लिखोगे, क्योंकि always one's period contain 3 digits. One's period contain 3 digits, and the third digit is 0. So write the number 5. 1099. In the second question, we know the pre-decimals. Second question is 1,34,999. 99 से पहले आता है 98. So the pre-decimals of this is 1,34,998. In the last question, this number is 135,900. The pre-decimals of 900 is 899. 900 से पहले क्या होता है 899. So the pre-decimals of this number is 135,899. Now we start exercise 1.2. First question is write the numeral and number names. न्यूमरल का मतलब होता है कि हमने नंबर को लिखना है फिगर्स की फॉर्म में, और नंबर नेम का मतलब है उसको इन वर्ड्स लिखना है. Now we write. One place there is one sphere. At the 10th place there is 1, 2 and 3. 3 spheres are here. In the 100 place there are 2 spheres. In the 1000 there is 4 spheres. In the 10,000 place there is 2 spheres, and in the lakh place there is 2 spheres. We separated it by the commas. According to Indian system, one period contains 3 digits, 1000 contains 2 digits, lakhs contain 2 digits. And this is one's period and separated by comma. And this 1000 period is also separated by comma. The number is represented as 2,24,231. We write the number name. 2,24,000. In the ones period 231. We write it 231. There is numeral 2,24,231. In the third question, we discuss write the successor of 635,801. In the previous class, we studied successor is the when we success, we come up to next level. So we write the next number of 6,35,801. In the previous terms, we don't have any care. In the last period, 801. What is the next number of 801? Is 802. The successor of 6,35,801 is 6,35,802. And successor means go up to next level. And the successor of 301 is 302. So we write the proper number is 285,000. 285,000. 301 का successor क्या आएगा? 302. So we write the successor of 285,000. 301 is 285,302. In this 7,34,799. In this we write the successor 7,34,799 का next number होता है 800. In the next question, the question is write the predecessors of 538,100. प्री का मतलब क्या होता है? प्री का मतलब होता है पहले। तो हमने क्या करना है, इस नंबर से पहले वाला नंबर उठाना है, चाहे इससे छोटा नंबर। There is 538,000. The predecessor of 100 is 99. 100 से पहले क्या आता है? 99. लेकिन आप just 99 ऐसे नहीं लिखोगे, क्योंकि always one period contain 3 digits. One period contain 3 digits, and the third digit is 0. So write the number 538,099. In the second question, we know the predecessors. Second question is 1,34,999. 999. 99 से पहले आता है 98. So the predecessors of this is 1,34,998. In the last question, with this number is 135,900. The predecessors of 900 is 899. 900 से पहले क्या होता है? 899. So the predecessor of this number is 135,800.